Service, but it looks like I'm getting a leak back here. That definitely looks like some oil, bro.
71 right here sits so much taller than these 2500 Super Duties, bro.
So I just got ready to put my truck. I did just have my rear diff service, but it looks like I'm getting a leak back here, but it looks like it's the drive shaft right there, bro. Or it could be. Is it the back? I don't see nothing right there. I feel like it's coming right from that. So yeah, I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, or I might just trip it, but that definitely looks like fresh oil. I'll probably move the truck here and see what that is, but it's actually frosty as heck outside, so I need to let it, yeah, thaw first really quick.
A few moments later.
And honestly, I don't remember these oil spots being in here. That definitely looks like some oil, bro. But it's not a lot, so I'm not sure if it's like a slow leak or what. But I don't see nothing dripping right now. I just noticed the residue down there. I don't know, bro. If it ain't one, it's always something, man. But hopefully it's nothing. I might have to go get it checked out, see what's going on. Okay, guys, it's bright and early, but we figured out the issue why my differential, where the fluid is coming from. And this is shout out to my guy Marty on Instagram. That's why I love social media, Instagram, because it is a very helpful tool. Actually, I posted this on my story. I got a lot of replies. A lot of people say it's the pinion seal leak, which is very common. So we probably do both, honestly, get that one. The pinion seal replaced, and this issue I'm about to show y'all is the vent tube that's causing this pressure and this leak. So crawl back under here and show y'all really quick what's going on. So I noticed this hose right here hanging down after I got my differential service right here. I was like, what is that? I'd never noticed it before, but I ignored it, me being me. So anyway, Marty commented, he said, hey bro, I saw in your video that you had a hose hanging down. He said, most likely that's your differential vent tube hose. And so I come out here this morning, he's right. So this hose right here should actually connect to this little nipple right there. That is your vent, a differential vent tube. So how it should work is this hose, excuse me, should attach like that on your vent tube, boom. And that's how it should look. So what happened, this is snapped off. So it's hanging down. So apparently what happens is this can get clogged. Your vent tube right there can get clogged and starts to build pressure throughout your differential. And that pressure has nowhere to go, so it starts pushing oil out of the differential here. And usually what happens is it goes all the way down here, pushes pressure all the way down, and you start getting seals. Your seals start leaking, starts leaking somewhere down here. And again, I may have a pinion seal leak too, so I'm gonna do both of those. This apparently the pinion seal leak is a very easy fix, like 30-minute job. I'm gonna replace that, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this situation sorted out too. Not sure if this whole thing right here comes off, you know, or what is what I'm trying to say. So yeah, that's what's going on. That's what's happening. The only thing I don't know is how long I can drive like this with my truck. Is this a big deal? Is a big issue, or I could be okay and we'll be able to drive it, you know, as is for a little bit. I'm trying to get into the shop next week, but today is Saturday on New Year's Eve, guys. So I have nowhere to go. Most shops are closed until Tuesday. So, you know, can I drive it over the next 3 or 4 days? With it being like that, you know, and I don't think it's a big issue. And the reason I say that, I noticed that hose when I got my truck back from getting the rear differential and my transmission fluid flushed when I had the little shutter issue. That's been hanging since then. So that was like, what, a month ago maybe? I just drove the truck to work. I've been driving this truck for a while with a bit like that. So I'm not sure how big of an issue that is, how long I can go before having to get that fixed. Yeah, so that's what's going on. Go ahead and get into the shop in the next few days, and then we'll give y'all an update. Hey, good morning, guys, good morning. So since y'all seen that last clip, it's been about 3 days or so, and I have not moved the truck since. I'm actually about to get ready to take it up here to the shop now. I did come out this morning. I do see some more oil down here. You got, what's concerning me, not this spot, because that's right over where the pinion seal leak would be. It's this spot right here that's concerning me. I don't know if it's leaking somewhere else down, like further down the rear diff, or it's just a combination. It's just leaking, but like a flowing, you know. But if you go too long without addressing this problem, you can blow your seals closer to, I think he said closer to where the wheels mount at this end, as opposed to just right over where the normal pinion seal leaks on these trucks. So anyway, guys, I'm about to head over now. But first,
Go ahead and give a cold start. I have not started the truck in 3 days, like I said, so it should be a pretty loud one and a pretty good one. All right, guys, so I just talked to Brett and we did confirm it's the pinion seal leak on the front up there, leaking right here, front pinion seal, as we suspected. And then he's just gonna take that vent tube out, what I showed y'all earlier, clean it, put it back, just make sure it's not clogged. So that's the plan right now. I know when I come up here, I do gotta show y'all the trucks. Look at this Tundra right here. This is a good looking Tundra, bro. Like, this is probably one of the best looking Tundras I've seen. I probably minus the steps right there, but it does give it a rugged look, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, this thing looks good, bro. I'm curious. I know these are some method wheels. I'm pretty sure these are 37s. Yeah, 37, 12.5, 20s. Some 20 by 9 method wheels, I'm guessing. But then you got this dually right here. I'm not sure whose this is, but it's nice. Two-tone dually. It says damn Yankee on the back there, which is pretty neat. American Forces, like some 35s or 285, 50, 22s. Really nice truck. How do y'all feel about the two-tone? That's coming back now, man. I see it on a lot of cars now. There's Red over here getting looked at. A new F-150 coming in. Brand new parts in the back. Rough country. Oh yeah, 37, 13, 520s. It's a good look. What y'all think? Good look on this truck. I'm pretty sure it's probably like a Lariat package. It's an XL package, so don't really have all the bells and whistles on it, you know, but probably has your main like stock stuff is what I'm trying to say. Tint, so some tint on there. It looks good though. I actually like this setup. What y'all think? I'm telling y'all, just being here in person though, the freaking Z71 right here in this freaking 2500 down there sits so much taller than these 2500 Super Duties, bro. Like, they just sit way taller, and I just love that tall presence of these trucks and the long profile. Like, super big vehicles. These are just huge. King Ranch right here, good look. Probably some 35s. Yeah, 35 by 20s. To this Raptor. It's a 2023 F150 Raptor. Not sure the price, but yes, black. These things look just menacing on the road, bro. Oh my gosh. I wouldn't mind doing a Raptor on some 37s, bro. Like some 22 or 20 by 12s. It would look really good, but yeah, I'm not sure how much they got this listed for. But here's some more GMCs. These Duramaxes, bro. Like, that thing is beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, you got the new Super Dually on some KG4s wheels. This thing is nice. I don't know if I seen this last time I was here. 2023 F450 Platinum. Nice. How do y'all feel about these dualies, man? Come over here, you got another Raptor, of course. Nice. It's the Raptor R, excuse me. I apologize. The R, so you know what you get in there. 2023 F150 Raptor R, white. I would definitely color match all that. If I could, I would color match all of this, make it white. But I bought y'all over here for this F250 Platinum, brand new joint, 2023 on a, it's covered, I can't see, but it's on some 22-inch wheels. The lift kit size is covered by the paper, I can't see. But it's a good stance on this. I'm pretty sure these are 37s probably. Yep, 37, 13.5, 22s, some fuel assault wheels. Nice, really nice truck. Really nice truck. I think they actually done with my truck already, but he didn't have the rear pinion seal, so I'm gonna have to come back and get that done, which is fine, no big deal. He has to order it. So they just took the old hose off, put the same hose back on, and they cleaned out the tube there to make sure it wasn't clogged. So he's gonna order the pinion seal ring, and then he's gonna come back. I'm gonna come back and do it, but he wanted to confirm first if it was indeed the pinion seal that was leaking, and it was. What's up, guys? Good morning. It's bright and early. You can see I parked the truck forward. I've been doing that since the leak has been occurring, because when I park it forward, there's no fluids on the ground coming from the rear diff down there. I can see, yeah. So when I park it forward, I guess all the fluids rushing backwards, so it doesn't drip. Go ahead, get y'all cold start. Thing is freaking loud. Oh, she actually called. Oh, got some squeaky belts. Sound like cold outside, guys. A little wet, you know, so I'm gonna go away here in a second. But all right, guys, so we made it. We dropped the truck off here right now, as you can see. So everybody get out, take care of. But they do got this nice, what's this, AT4? Super tall truck, man. These AT4s, you have to lift them up, these Chevys, just because the square wheel wells, you have to go super tall with them. My Uber's on the way. They're gonna get me taken care of. And yeah, I'll see y'all in a bit.
2 hours later.
All right, guys, so we got the truck all fixed up. I ain't gonna be able to show y'all much, but there we go. I just want to share with y'all, they usually don't do this type of work here. And he was straightforward with me. He was like, customers like myself, and I say that because from the YouTube channel, you all have came up here and bought parts and stuff, he told me. So for me, he did do me a favor and looked out for me, but they usually don't do this type of work here. Like oil changes and stuff like that, turbo leaks or things like that, they don't do stuff here. They do lift, tires, wheels, accessory, bumpers, spray and bed liners, things like that. That's what this shop is for. Oh, look at this Ruby. That red color is nice. So another thing with general maintenance, rated almost 100,000 miles, man. So, you know, this is just part of it. A lot of y'all be like, time to sell, Q. Like, nah, bro, chill. It wasn't nothing serious. Total price was like $100, you know. Yeah, that's all I got. This will wrap this video up. It's your boy Q. I'll catch y'all on next one, baby. Peace.